Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your math subject. In that we are going to see lesson number 5, patterns. Now what are patterns? Pattern means a repeated arrangement of shapes, numbers, colors or any other item. That is called patterns. Now before starting to our lesson, we are going to see a little warm up here. Can you guess what will come next? Draw it. Now see here they have given shapes. Circle, 2 triangles, circle, again 2 triangles, circle, 1 triangle. So we have to complete this. Pattern means we have to draw 1 triangle. Okay. Then see here leaf. This is upside down, upside down, upside. So we have to draw downside. Okay, like this. Now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means here it was 3, then they have added 1 more, 4, again they have added 1 more, 5. So we have to add 1 more, so it will be 6. Right? Here 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the pattern. Now here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves are there. Okay. Sorry, 5 petals are there. Then they have removed 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 petals are remaining. Now 1 more removed, 1, 2, 3, 3 petals are remaining. So we have here we will also remove 1 and only 2 petals are remaining. Okay students, in this lesson, now see here a pattern is a repeating arrangement of shapes, numbers, colors or any other item. Yes, what is the meaning of patterns? It is a repeating arrangement of the shapes and numbers, colors or any other item. Can you spot a pattern on my body? You can also spot a pattern on the caterpillar's body. Okay. Now see here on the body you can see patterns, right? See circles. Circles are also one kind of patterns. Small circle, big circles, right? Now look ahead. In this lesson what we are going to see? Patterns around us, forming patterns and number patterns. Now see, my way ahead, Fabian and Azhar are playing. Can you identify various patterns around them? Yes, can you identify? Both are playing. See, here pots are in patterns 3, 2, 1. This is one kind of pattern. You can see Azhar's footsteps. See, one is here, other is here. Yes, this is also in a pattern. Now look around yourself and try to identify a pattern. Draw a pattern in the box given below. You have to find out by yourself. Okay, you have to look around yourself. Now suppose you are at your home, so you have to find in your home any patterns are there. If yes, you have to draw it. Okay. Repetition. I remember repetition means pattern. Now pattern around us. Patterns are present all around us. A pattern can be either natural or man-made. For example, pattern on a leaf is a natural pattern. Yes, we are not making this. Pattern on a leaf is a natural pattern. Whereas zebra crossing on a road is a man-made pattern. Because we have made this pattern. Yes, zebra crossing on the road is man-made and pattern on the leaf is a natural pattern. Now, take the natural patterns and cross out the man-made patterns. We have to take the natural which is made naturally and those was made by man-made, you have to cross it. So this leaves, it is natural. So we are going to put tick. This is man-made. So we are going to cross. This is also man-made, right? Cross, and this is natural. So we are going to put tick. Okay. Now, forming patterns. Now look at the patterns. Now see, pattern on the cloth. You have seen your mother's sari, blankets, right? You will get patterns like this on the cloth, and pattern on the floor tiles. On the tiles also you can get these types of patterns. In each of these pictures, one design has been used repeatedly. You can see only one design only they had used again and again, right? In each of these pictures, one design has been used repeatedly to create a pattern. Here also you can see the circles. Yes, we can also make different patterns using the same design. This can be done by arranging it in different ways. What they are saying, we can also make different patterns using the same design by arranging it in different ways. Now see, let us observe how Manjit had made patterns using a flower. He has only one kind of flowers, but see how he has made a pattern. See, flower, it is up, and see he has put again downside here. Okay, see up, down, right? One more pattern he has created, standing line in a standing position and in a slanting position, standing position, slanting position, standing position, slanting position. From one one object also we can make a different kinds of patterns. We can also create a pattern using different things. From different things also we can make patterns. Suppose Manjeet has a flower, a leaf and an apple. Look how he has created pattern using these three things. Now he has created, see, pattern number one flower, leaf, apple, flower, leaf, apple. Okay, this is one kind of pattern. Then pattern number 2, apple, leaf, flower, apple, leaf, flower. This is also one kind of pattern. Then pattern number 3 is leaf, apple, flower is now in a sleeping position. Leaf, apple and flower, but now flower is in sleeping position. Now see here, my fun time. Now my fun time. Search patterns in the following images, ring as many patterns you can. Now what we have to do, we have to find the patterns. Now see here students, they have given you their my experiments with maths. Today is Fabian's birthday. She has received beautiful gifts wrapped in colorful wrappers. Okay, Fabian's birthday is there, so she has received a beautiful gifts wrapped in a colorful wrappers. Fabian, instead of throwing the gifts wrappers in the dustbin, thought of creating patterns by cutting out different designs and then pasting the piece in her notebook. Let us observe the patterns she made using the wrappers. Now see here, she has cut all this cutouts from a gift wrapper. Okay, from that she has created this pattern. You can see, yes, this pattern she has created. Now create some more patterns like this in the space provided using different stickers. Suppose we can use here this heart shape. Okay, heart, flower. Okay, again this heart we are going to take. Okay, this way we can do it. Yes, so you can also draw your kind of pattern. Again we will take like this again. Okay, this kind of one pattern is there. So you can also draw by using these objects or by using this stickers your own pattern. You have to draw it. Okay students, I have just given an example for you people. Now my fun time, search patterns in the following image, ring as many patterns as you can. Now you have to find out the patterns and you have to ring. Ring means you have to circle it. Now see here, we can see one pattern here only, butterfly, flower, butterfly, flower. Yes, this is one pattern, butterfly, flower, butterfly, flower. Yes, then you can say butterfly, sun, this is also one pattern. Flower, leaf, this is also one pattern, right? And is any pattern is remaining? No, I can see only this much pattern. Okay, now in the patterns given below, one of the object is at wrong place. Find out and redraw the pattern. Now see here, pencil is there, eraser, paper, pencil, eraser. Here should come pencil, right? So it is wrong. So we have to again redraw it. Means we have to draw again same. Means here is pencil. Okay. Here is pencil. Suppose this is eraser. Okay. And this is paper. So again here pencil will come, right? Here pencil will come. Here what will come? Eraser. Right, and here paper, again pencil, eraser, paper. Okay, similarly you have to do this also. Now we are going to learn about number patterns. What are number patterns now? You can create patterns with numbers as well. Yes, we can create a pattern with numbers as well. Now look at this number pattern. Now see here 1, after 1 they have directly written 3. They have not written 2. After 3 they have not written 4. Directly 5. After 5, 6 has skipped, 7, 8 they have not written, 9, 10 they have not written, 11. Means here starting with 1, every second number has been used. Every second number means after 1, 2 they have not taken, 3 they have taken, 4 not, 5 taken. To make pattern, since the numbers are increasing, it is known as increasing number pattern. See, it is increasing, no? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Yes, these are in increasing pattern. So, when you want to know what pattern is used to write the numbers, you should study the first 2 or 3 numbers and remember the order. See, we cannot find out which pattern they are using. First we have to observe the number, okay, and we have to study the number. Now see, after 1 they have directly given 3, but after 1 2 comes, right? So they have removed 2 also. Then after 3 4 comes, they have not written 4, they have written directly 5, means they are skipping one number. After each number they are skipping another number, okay. Now look at the another number pattern. Now see 40 and 30. See here, so difference is of 10, right? After 40, they are minusing, means they are decreasing. 30, 20, 10. Here, starting with 40, every 10th number is a decreasing order, has been used to make a pattern. This pattern is known as decreasing, means the number is decreasing. So, if the number is decreasing, means it is a decreasing number patterns. You can see here, they have directly given you 40, after 40 they have written 30, okay. After 40, 50 comes, right, but they have written 30, means they have minus 10, okay. 40 minus 10 is 30, 30 minus 10 is 20, 20 minus 10 is 10, okay. Now my practice time 1, study the patterns carefully and complete the following. Now see here 2, after 2 they have written 3, after they have written 4, 5, means they have not skipped any number, right? So 5, after 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, okay. Now see the second one, 15, 14, 13, 12, means it is decreasing number pattern. After 15, which number comes? 14. After 40, before 15, 14 comes, before 14, 13 comes, before 13, 12, before 12, 11, before 11, 10, before 10, 9, before 9, 8, okay. Now see here C1, 2, after 2, 3 is not there, directly 4 is there, right? After 4, 5 is not there, 6 is there. After 6, 7 is not there, 8 is there, means they are skipping one number. Yes, by after every number they are skipping one number. Now after 8, 9 we are not going to write, we are going to write 10. After 10 we are not going to write 11, we are going to write 12. After 12 we are not going to write 13, we are going to write 14. After 14 we are not going to write 15, we are going to write 16, okay. Remaining you are going to solve similarly. Now find the missing numbers in the following patterns. Now you can see here 3 is there, after 3 directly 6, means how many numbers they have skipped? 3, 4, 5, 6, means 2 numbers, 6 is there, okay. 4, 5 means 2 numbers, yes, are you sure 2 numbers? After 3 directly they have written 6, okay. So after 6, which number you are going to write? 4, 5, 6, 6, see 2 number and then the third number you have to write. So after 3, 4 they had not written, 5 they had not written, they have written directly 6. So now what we are going to write? We will not write 7 also and 8 also, we are going to write 9, okay. They have skipped 2 numbers. Now after 9, see there 10, 11 they have not written, 12, then 13, 14 is not written, 15, 16, 17 is not written, 18, 19, 20s we will not write, we will write 21. After 21, 22, 23 we are not going to write, 24. After 24, 25, 26 we are not going to write, 27 is there, 28, 29 we are not going to write, we are going to write here 30. Okay students, one more I will solve for you people. Now see here 24. After 24 they have written here 22, means they are in decreasing number pattern. So after 24, 23 comes, sorry, before 24, 23 comes, so they have not written 23 and they have written 22, means they are skipping one number. So after, before 22, 21 comes, so we are not going to write 21, before 21, 20 comes, so we are going to write here 20. Now before 19 comes, they have not written 19 here, directly 18. After before 18, 17 comes, they have not written here 17, directly before 17, 16 comes. Okay. Then here 14, so after, before 14, 13 comes, we are not going to write, we are going to write 12. Before 12, 11 comes, we are not going to write 11. Before 11, 10 comes. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Similarly, these two you are going to solve it. Now, tick the correct options. 4, 6, 8, 10. Increasing number pattern or decreasing? It is increasing. 230, 250, 270, 290. It is increasing or decreasing? 230 is a smaller one, 250 is big, 270 is also big and 290 is also bigger. So it is increasing number pattern. Now 400, 350, 300, 250. It is a decreasing number pattern. Okay students, now in this lesson what we have learned? Patterns. What are patterns? Repeated arrangement of things. How many patterns are there? Natural and man-made. Natural are patterns on a zebra crossing. Man-made patterns on a chessboard. You can find out. Number patterns. Yes, in number pattern, increasing number pattern and decreasing number pattern. In increasing number pattern are example 10, 20, 30, 40, and the decreasing is 33, 30, 27, 24 and so on. I hope students you have understood the lesson patterns. So we are going to meet in the next lecture. Bye. Take care. Thank you.